Hello friends, welcome to Tips for Life YouTube channel. Today you'll know about amazing hidden benefits of lemongrass. Okay, let's go to the video. Lemongrass, also known as Cymbopogon citratus, is a perennial herb that is native to tropical regions of Asia, Africa and Australia. It is a popular ingredient in many cuisines around the world, particularly in Asian and Caribbean dishes, and is known for its lemony aroma and taste. But beyond its culinary uses, lemongrass also has a wide range of health benefits that make it an ideal herb to incorporate into your daily routine. One of the most well-known benefits of lemongrass is its ability to aid in digestion. The herb contains compounds that stimulate the production of bile, which helps to break down fats in the stomach and intestines. This can help to alleviate symptoms of indigestion, bloating and gas. Additionally, lemongrass has been found to be effective in reducing symptoms of diarrhea, as well as in treating stomach ulcers and other digestive disorders. Another key benefit of lemongrass is its ability to boost the immune system. The herb contains a high concentration of antioxidants, which help to protect the body against harmful free radicals. These antioxidants also have anti-inflammatory properties, making lemongrass an ideal herb to use in treating conditions such as arthritis and other inflammatory disorders. Additionally, lemongrass has been found to be effective in treating respiratory infections, such as colds and flu, as well as in reducing fever and inflammation. Lemongrass is also an effective natural remedy for anxiety and stress. The herb contains compounds that have a calming effect on the body and mind, helping to reduce feelings of anxiety and tension. Additionally, lemongrass has been found to be effective in treating insomnia, as it helps to promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. Another important benefit of lemongrass is its ability to improve skin health. The herb contains a wide range of vitamins and minerals that are essential for maintaining healthy skin. Additionally, lemongrass has been found to be effective in treating conditions such as eczema and other skin irritations. The herb has anti-inflammatory properties that can help to soothe irritated skin, as well as reducing redness and inflammation. Lemongrass is also an effective natural remedy for hair care. The herb contains compounds that promote hair growth, as well as strengthening and nourishing the hair and scalp. Additionally, lemongrass has been found to be effective in treating dandruff and other scalp conditions, as it helps to reduce itching and flaking. Finally, lemongrass has been found to be effective in treating a wide range of other health conditions. The herb has been used to treat conditions such as high blood pressure, diabetes, and high cholesterol. Additionally, lemongrass has been found to be effective in treating cancer, as it contains compounds that have anti-cancer properties. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel for next videos. Goodbye.